Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 4 Social, third unit from second term, and the lesson we are going to discuss is about transport.
Children, let us discuss about transport in this lesson. Learning objectives. Understand the importance of transport. List the various modes of transport. Describe each mode of transport. What is transport? Transport is the movement of people, animals, and things from one place to another. Modes of transport. There are different modes of transport in India. They are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Before the invention of wheels, humans used to walk everywhere. They used bullock carts to cover distances. Even today, many use bicycles which are eco-friendly to travel. First one, roadways. India has been building roads since old times. Roadways connect the nook and corners of our country. National highways, that is NH. These are the main roads connecting cities in the country. Example, NH44 runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. The Golden Quadrilateral Road connects the four major cities, that is Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata in India. Next one is state highways, that is SH. These are the roads connecting important cities within the state. Example, SH4 runs from Arcot to Viluppuram. Next one is district roads. They are of two types, major district roads, that is MDR, and other district roads, ODR. These roads connect markets and offices in the district. Next one is village roads. These roads connect villages or a group of villages with each other and also to major roads near to it. Bus. Bus is the most important means of public transport system in India. Buses are managed by the respective state governments. Many state governments have introduced air-conditioned buses and sleeper buses. The Chennai Mofussil Bus Terminus is the largest bus terminus in Asia. Bus Rapid Transit System, that is BRTS, is a high-quality bus-based transit system. It has been introduced in some cities in India. The BRTS ensured that there are roadways that only buses can use. Next one is railways. Railway is the most important form of transport system connecting various states in India. The first railway line was laid between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. One of the earliest railway stations built in Tamil Nadu was in Rayapuram in the year 1856. Steam engines were used in the beginning, from steam engines to high-speed rail. The growth of Indian railways over the past 170 years has been vast and it has been contributed to the development of India. Let us see the major rail links from Tamil Nadu. Name of the train from to. Himsagar Express, Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir. Tamil Nadu Express, Chennai to New Delhi. Tirukural Express, Kanyakumari to New Delhi. Coromandel Express, Chennai to Kolkata. Chennai Express, Chennai to Mumbai. There are also suburban rails that connect different places within a city. The first modern rapid transit system in India is the Kolkata Metro Rail system. The Chennai Metro Rail was started in the year 2015. Indian Railways is the fourth largest network in the world. Darjeeling Himalayan Rail in West Bengal is a World Heritage Site and it is the only steam-operated railway in India. Next one is waterways. India has a very long coastline and hence ports remain main centers for trade. Oceanic or coastal water transport. India has 13 major ports and Tamil Nadu is the only state in India that has 3 major ports, Ennore, Chennai, and Tuticorin. Shipping Corporation of India, a government-owned company, manages all offshore and other marine transport related infrastructure in the country. Water transport happens through boat, speedboat, ship. The boats are widely used for fishing in Tamil Nadu. Next, let us discuss about airways. Air transport is the fastest way to travel through different parts of the world. The very first air service of Asia was inaugurated by India in the year 1914 by Post and Telegraph Department by carrying mail from Allahabad to Naini across the Ganga River. In Tamil Nadu, there are 4 international airports at Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli. Airlines plays a huge role in connecting cities within the country and across the world. Helicopters are used for short distances and in hilly regions like Haridwar, Badrinath, Kedarnath and Darjeeling. Let us discuss about the advantages of transport. Growth of agricultural and industrial production. Transport system plays a huge role in the growth of agricultural and industrial production by carrying raw materials to different parts of the country. Second one is growth in trade. It helps in promoting trade in the country. Transport plays a key role in the country's export and import of goods. Promotes tourism. It helps people from different countries to visit other countries. Without a good transport system, promotion of tourism is not possible. Let us discuss about the summary of this lesson. Transport is a movement of people, animals and things from one place to another. The 4 modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Roadways are used to travel by bicycles, buses and cars, etc. The 4 types of roadways are national highways, state highways, district roads and village roads. Railways is the most important mode of transport which connects the states. Waterways include the transport done through water bodies. It happens through boats, speedboats and ships. Airways is the fastest way to travel. We use aeroplanes and helicopters for air travel.